Okay. Here are the definitions. Okay? Alright. You can either read them out loud or to yourself. Tell me what they are. Read it out loud.
Okay. A figure that is formed by two rays with the same ending point. Angle.
Angle.
Yep.
Okay? Here's the next one. Come on, look at Mama. Go.
An angle like this, that's an angle.
Read it to me.
A angle that measures less than 90 degrees. That's acute angle.
That's right, acute angle. Okay.
Yep.
The next one, what does it say?
A triangle in which each of the three angles is acute.
Which word?
Acute triangle.
Acute triangle, that's right. Okay.
The number of square units inside a figure. Area.
Area, that's right. Last one.
A number to be